Hi, I'm Ben and I'm a student studying here at Middlesex University. I'm just going to take you through the process you need to follow when you return to campus to get your free COVID test. When you arrive on campus, come to the quad in the college building to collect your COVID test registration card. Don't forget, whilst walking around campus, you must wear your face covering. Once you have your registration card, follow the steps by scanning the QR code with your phone. This will open the NHS app. Fill in the registration details, and once you have finished, you will get confirmation that the registration is complete. Make sure you look after your registration card and the barcodes that are attached to the back. Now you've arrived at NBX House and successfully checked in on the NHS app, make your way in to the registration desk and don't forget your face covering. When you enter the testing area, you will be given a swab to take with you into the testing booth. In the booth, there is a poster which describes how to take the test. We also have hand sanitizer, tissues and a mirror to help you locate your tonsils effectively. Don't forget, we have staff on hand should you need any guidance. Once you've completed the swab test, you should carefully take the swab across to the test processor and place the swab directly into the test tube. You should then hand your additional barcodes to the test processor. Then collect any belongings from the testing booth, replace your face mask and make your way out of the test centre by following the directional signage on the floor. Right, I've just finished in the test centre. The test was very quick, pain-free, and now all I've got to do is wait for the test results to be texted through to my phone. This should take no longer than 45 minutes. Don't forget, if this is your first test, make sure you book a follow-up test in 3 days' time. Also, if you do receive a positive test, don't panic, just notify your institution and follow all the guidance on the NHS website for isolating.